Hey internet, I'm Raked, and I'm trying to make the Spider-Man VR game. Now when I say the Spider-Man VR game, I don't mean the Spider-Man VR game, because obviously that already exists, there's two of them even. I want to make the best Spider-Man inspired VR game. This means perfect swinging, that means perfect combat, that means full control over Spider-Man. You want to feel like you're Spider-Man in VR. None of the other games I've played have done this. I want to be the one to create this. Now I've been working on this project for about a day, but I want to keep working on it for the next few weeks, and slowly over time with your feedback and my amazing skills, I'm just so perfect. We will create hopefully the perfect Spider-Man VR game. I need to stop saying that because over time it's gonna, probably get me in some trouble if Marvel decides, hey, we don't like this kid making a Spider-Man styled VR game. So from now on, this is Web Guy VR. Now, could I have been a bit more original with the name? No. Uh, I've decided. That's it. That's what it's called. And you can't change my mind. Okay, you can. If you have any other better ideas for names, put it in the comments. But my point still stands. We can't use the S word anymore. So, WebGuy VR. Now, what have we got? We got swinging. Swinging works. We can swing. Great swinging. We love swinging. And it's physics-based, using the Hurricane VR and Hexbody assets from the Unity Asset Store, which are they're perfect. Like, if you're making a VR, just use them, work perfectly. They do like 90% of the heavy lifting, so I can work on the fun stuff. I mean, this is the first clip of the game before I got anything really cool working. So take a look, I guess. I don't know why I was sat there in silence as if the video was actually going to play. I'm doing a voiceover right now. It's not just going to... Okay. Anyway, that was the first kind of time I tested the swinging in VR, and at that point I was like, hey, this is terrible. Okay, I haven't changed it much from then, but I've changed quite a bit. So, this is what we're up to now. Now, as you can see, we've got the nice swinging effects, the sound effects. I want to get some wind effects and a couple lines going past the head, so you feel like you're swinging through things. And obviously, you probably saw the draw distance was like 500 meters or something. So the world kind of cuts off. But when I've got like a full city and fog, because it's New York, no, old York. I don't know, I don't know what I can and can't use for this game. I could probably use New York as a reference. But yeah, as you can see, we got the swinging in it. We can swing around. There is also wall climbing, which is just climbing. You just can climb everywhere. I just haven't. I didn't record anything with that. But the webs themselves, you can shoot them out using trigger, and they'll connect to whatever your cursor was aiming at. You gotta see the cursor towards the end of the video, I think. And you can then create tension by holding the grip. And that's kind of how that works. If you join my Discord, link in the description, you can get a download to this demo yourself. Possibly even a more updated one, depending on when you're watching this. Yeah, that's kind of all we've got going for now. I hope this interests you enough to like and subscribe and join the Discord and whatnot. If you've got any feedback, any suggestions, put them in the comments or join the Discord. Either works, but comment for the algorithm. Lovely. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.